kiss of death. And if Chandrababu Naidu ji or Nitish Kumar ji both are consummate politicians, if they want this kiss of death, they will go with it.
Okay,
But the
for
fact
all
is
the
the
harsh
mood on the
words that
ground-
you had for Nitish Kumar when he went along with the BJP, it's all forgotten. It's all in the past now.
Well, I worked with him for 6 years. I have never spoken a harsh word. And I respect his politics. I respect his work for Bihar. So clearly, no one can. I'm not like Shehzad who will turn around and start saying harsh words against your own party that doomed you. I'm very clear that I respect the work I did with JDU, and I respect Nitish Kumar as a leader and the party. But I'm saying that BJP has destroyed every single party. It's a kiss of death. Every single party that BJP touches, they end up destroying that party, and no party wants a kiss of death.
Okay.
So as a result, if you look at what has happened to BJD, what has happened to YSRCP, these are parties that supported BJP last 5 years, irrespective of what the issue is.
Okay, we have the
And
Prime
now
Minister
BJP
there. He has
celebrating
just reached the BJP headquarters. He's waving there. The cameras are out. Despite the whole day, you would have thought that it's INDIA who has swept to a win. Look at the scenes at the BJP headquarters. Again, remember, it's a third consecutive term. And it is indeed quite a historic mandate which has been given to the BJP, a third consecutive term under the leadership of Narendra Modi. But allies Shehzad Poonawalla don't want to be swallowed up with the anaconda called BJP.
You know, first of all, I'm just glad that today Ghanshyam Tiwari has absolved the Election Commission and EVM has directed all his ire towards Shehzad Poonawalla. So I'm glad at least कि EVM की आज अग्नि परीक्षा नहीं हुई पूरे दिन. तो ये इसके लिए मैं आपको धन्य हूँ प्रभु. और दूसरी बात, अलायंस पार्टनर के रिस्पेक्ट की बात, जिन्होंने कल तक कांग्रेस को धोखेबाज, चिरकुट, चुटवैया कहा, फिर यहाँ पर सत्ता की लालच में एक हो गए, अब वो पाठ पढ़ा रहे हैं अलायंस धर्म का. अरे भाई, आपने अलायंस किया था बहन जी के साथ और जैसे अलायंस नहीं चल पाया तो उसी बहन जी को भरपेट गालियां दी, उसके समाज को गालियां दी. और आज आप बोल रहे तिवारी जी याद नहीं है किस प्रकार से बहन जी की समाज को गालियां आप देने लगे थे. तो मुझे लगता है कि अलायंस पार्टनर का कौन रिस्पेक्ट करता है मुझे बताने की आवश्यकता नहीं. एकनाथ शिंदे बहुत छोटी पार्टी है, फिर भी हमने उनको मुख्यमंत्री बनाया. नीतीश जी हमारा अलायंस तोड़कर गए, वापस आए, उनको मुख्यमंत्री फिर भी बनाए रखा क्योंकि कमिटमेंट एनडीए का था. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे घनश्याम तिवारी से या कांग्रेस पार्टी से पाठ पढ़ना है कि अलायंस पार्टनर को कैसे ट्रीट करना है.
Okay, let me also get him Anam Venkat Ramana Reddy. Mr. Reddy, today you had Chandrababu Naidu expected to address a press conference. It was called off, left many people wondering why. What's cooking? Is Mr. Naidu also talking to other people? What's happening?
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है.
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे.